Ever wondered how to dip your toes into the world of Bitcoin, but felt overwhelmed by all the complicated exchanges and wallets? You're not alone. So many people are curious about cryptocurrency, but the perceived complexity can be a real barrier. Today, I'm going to show you a surprisingly simple way to get started, especially if you're already using a popular investing app, Acorns. Yes, you can actually buy Bitcoin on Acorns, and it's a lot easier than you might think. Now, before we dive in, let's be clear about a few things. This video isn't financial advice. I'm just sharing information about how the platform works. Cryptocurrency investments, including Bitcoin, are highly volatile. Prices can swing dramatically, and you could lose some or all of your investment. So, do your own research, understand the risks involved, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Got it? Good. Okay, so you're already using Acorns, which is fantastic because it simplifies the process. If you're not familiar with Acorns, it's a micro-investing app that lets you invest spare change and roundups from your everyday purchases. It's a great way to start investing, even with small amounts of money. And now, they've integrated Bitcoin into their platform, making it even more accessible. So, how do you actually buy Bitcoin on Acorns? First, you'll need to make sure you have an Acorns account. If you don't already, head over to their website or download the app and set one up. It's a pretty straightforward process. You'll link your bank account and answer some basic questions about your investment goals. Once your account is set up, you'll need to make sure you're on one of the Acorns tiers that offers Bitcoin access. Not all tiers include cryptocurrency investing. You'll likely need to be on the Acorns Personal or Acorns Family plan, but double-check their website or app for the most up-to-date information on which tiers offer Bitcoin. Now, here's the exciting part, buying Bitcoin. Open the Acorns app and navigate to the Invest screen. You should see various investment options there, including your diversified portfolio. Look for a section related to Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. It might be labeled Bitcoin, crypto, or something similar. Once you find the Bitcoin section, you'll see the current price of Bitcoin and some information about its performance. Acorns makes it super easy to buy fractional shares of Bitcoin. You don't need to buy a whole Bitcoin, which, let's be honest, can be quite expensive. You can buy small amounts, even just a few dollars worth. To buy Bitcoin, simply enter the dollar amount you want to invest. Acorns will then calculate how much Bitcoin you'll receive based on the current price. You can fund your Bitcoin purchase from your Acorns investment account or from your linked bank account. One of the great things about buying Bitcoin on Acorns is the simplicity. You don't have to worry about setting up a separate crypto exchange account, managing private keys, or any of the other complexities that come with traditional Bitcoin purchases. Acorns handles all of that behind the scenes. Now, let's talk about some important considerations. Even though Acorns makes it easy, it's crucial to understand what you're investing in. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency. It's not controlled by any government or central bank. Its value is determined by supply and demand. Because of its decentralized nature and limited supply, Bitcoin can be very volatile. Its price can fluctuate wildly in short periods. You could see significant gains, but you could also see significant losses. That's why it's so important to do your research and understand the risks before you invest. Another thing to consider is fees. Acorns charges fees for its services, and these fees can eat into your returns, especially if you're investing small amounts. Make sure you understand the fee structure before you start buying Bitcoin on Acorns. They usually have a monthly subscription fee, and there might be other transaction fees as well. Now, you might be wondering, why buy Bitcoin on Acorns instead of a dedicated crypto exchange? Well, there are a few advantages. First, as we've discussed, it's incredibly convenient, especially if you're already using Acorns for your other investments. It's all in one place. Second, Acorns simplifies the process. It's a great way for beginners to get started with Bitcoin without feeling overwhelmed. You don't have to deal with complex trading platforms or worry about securing your own Bitcoin wallet. However, there are also some potential downsides. Acorns might not offer the same range of features and trading options as a dedicated crypto exchange. For example, you might not be able to trade other cryptocurrencies besides Bitcoin. Also, the fees on Acorns might be higher than on some exchanges, especially for larger transactions. So, if you're serious about getting into cryptocurrency trading, you might eventually want to explore other options like dedicated crypto exchanges. But for beginners who just want to dip their toes in the water, Acorns can be a great starting point. Remember, investing in Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency is a long-term game. Don't expect to get rich quick. Be prepared for price fluctuations and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. It's also a good idea to diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, even if that basket is Bitcoin. Before you make any investment decisions, take some time to learn more about Bitcoin, how it works, and the risks involved. There are tons of resources available online, including articles, videos, and forums. Do your due diligence and make informed decisions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.